Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got down here some Dollar Tree bowls, and I also have some of their shot glasses, and you can find these in their party section. And so you can go out there and you can buy a divider. Bought a whole set from Amazon, and it was like, I don't know, $24, $25, something like that. Had a whole bunch of them. But you can also get these at Dollar Tree and make them yourself. They've got these cute little bowls. They've got this size bowl. They have these. They have these that are kind of decorative so that when you pour over, it's not smooth. So when it comes down onto the canvas, it will do some really cool things. You can pour over these and let them dry. And I think I have do with your cups. So set this aside there. And I'm going to glue this one together. I have here a really old glue gun. You can find glue guns just about anywhere these days. I'm just going to put a glob of glue on the bottom, and I'm going to put it in so it adheres to it. And I think I might flood the canvas with green. Okay. The canvas is like 10 by 10. I don't think it's a 12 by 10. I think it's 10 by 10. Let's see. Let's do a half and half. Yeah. This is just giving the other paint, when it gets, it's kind of a pillow, it's called a pillow effect for the paint. Yeah, let's see, what are we going to do? Grab my cup here. Okay, so I'm going to layer up some paint, and I'm going to do this one in this bowl here. You can see it going down. And I think I'll do this one in this bowl here. It's kind of hard to pour it with the stir stick in there. Here we go. Look at this white in the middle. Oh my gosh, look how thick that is. That should be interesting. And I've got a black mixed up over here. Let's see if we can do something with that. Okay. So you can see where I put the black down in here, and I've got it on two sides, but on the other sides I left it undone. So I'm just going to let it pour. I don't know why it's coming out real thick. Let it pour down the middle. Interesting. Let's bring that around a little bit. a lot of paint on here. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Let me get it down there on the corner here. Oh wow. How unique. Goes down that way. There we go. And stop. Oh my lord. Let's see if I can get this to focus here in the camera here. Let me take my gloves off here. Sure. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my lord. Here, let's push the paint out the way here. Alright. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I don't see this titanium white bringing out the cells. It's more wispy looking. It's very, I've got down in this corner here is, let's see if I can pick it up a little bit so you can see. Down in the corner you can see where it's very, very sparkly and shiny. Might have to put some glitter on it though. Let me see, let me torch it a little bit to see some bubbles. It's gorgeous though. I mean, I like, you know, when I put that black down, I just did a little bit of the black, and it was very sparingly even in my cup or my bowl that I used. So that's where you get, I would say, more of like the marble look to it, because that's where that marble, or that what they call a vein in your marble happens. Now I've got a little bit here that is kind of so-so, but I like how it's kind of empty in different places. I think that's what brings it, the uniqueness out of it. Got a couple here, it's kind of dry down here. The edges look very pretty also, where it ran down over the edges. So I've got some edges that where it goes down and around. It looks very nice. Yeah, let's see. Let me see what kind of glitter I've got here. Ooh, I have a green glitter. Let me throw some of that on here. Okay, let me see here. I'm going to do it sparingly. Just going to do it a little bit in some areas. Okay. Alright. It looks good. It looks, it'll be interesting to see how it dries. I mean, that's always the thing, to see how your painting will dry. And let's see if I can throw it with this camera. Alright, so here I'm actually going to pick it up. I've been experimenting with cameras. I know, as much as you guys know that I don't trust my cameras. So there's kind of what it looks like. I will let it dry, and then I will take some pictures of it, kind of zoom in, zoom out, you know, like I do. But it's very pretty. pretty. I mean, I'm pleased with the way it looks. And I used a lot of my paint. I was thinking I wouldn't use as much of my paint, but I got a little bit left over. You can keep your paint for a little while, as long as you cover them up with something. Like I said, like a cellophane and like a rubber band, if you want to keep some of them. I'm definitely going to keep the white. I'm going to throw it in with my other white that's getting kind of low. But it looks pretty cool. Yeah. So I will let this dry, and then we will look at it again. And yeah, I think it's very wispy looking. It's very mysterious looking. So I like that. I love the little whispery black vein. And by not putting the blow dryer to it, so it's not like a where it's pushing the paint. This way, when I poured it, it just kind of did its thing, and then when I picked it up, I could move it around and let it do what it could do. Where it's pushing the paint. This way, when I poured it, it just kind of did its thing, and then when I picked it up, I could move it around and let it do what it could do. So yeah, it would be interesting still to use this titanium white to do a swipe. That's usually sometimes when you see them put the paint on something like this, and then they swipe it through the paint. That's when a lot of times you'll see more activity in your paint, and the cells to come around and come up. So, but this looks more like a marble vein, and I'm very, very pleased with the way it looked. I hope that when it dries that black, those lines stay as they are, and I think that they will. So, alright, so I imagine the grandkids are coming our way, so I'm going to get off here and spend some time with them. We haven't seen them for a while, so yeah. Alright. So I'm going to get off here now. Like I said, I'll do some pictures at the end. I can put them up in here, or yeah, I'll put them up at the end. You know what's always fun, before I jump off here, is when I look down at these paintings, and this is to see what you see in the painting. I see a little bird, and he's right about here. He's got a little head and a beak. I hope he sticks around. So it's kind of interesting. A lot of my paintings either have birds in them, and I don't know why, but I usually see birds. That's odd. But anyway, alright, enough about the silliness. Okay, but I'm going to get off here, and I got paint on me. That's normal. Alright, so I'm going to get off here, and again, thank you for watching my channel. I sure appreciate it. Yeah, if you could subscribe, I would appreciate that much. Subscribing allows other people to see my videos if my subscriptions are coming up, and they are. They're getting there slowly. So, but thank you for watching, and I will get off here, and yeah, as always, like I always say, go out there, be awesome, be great, be yourself, and do your thing. Yep. So, alrighty. I'm going to get off here and spend some time with the family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.